In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books, offering a full guide tailored for 2025. Let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. This central hub is where you'll access all the tools and features needed for effective financial management. Once you're in, move your cursor to the sales section on the interface. This area is particularly useful for managing all sales-related documents, including invoices, estimates, and credit notes. Now click on Credit Notes. This will direct you to the dedicated page for creating and managing credit notes. Think of credit notes as a way to rectify overcharges or to acknowledge products returned by a customer. They're essentially the opposite of invoices. In the Credit Notes section, look for the New button and give it a click. This action will prompt a new credit note entry, offering a clean slate to begin your documentation. Here, you can either select an existing customer from your list or add a new customer. Remember, maintaining a comprehensive customer database within Zoho Books can make this process smoother, so make sure your customer information is up to date. Once your customer is selected, it's time to input the necessary data for the credit note. This includes details such as date, description, and any applicable taxes. It's essential to be as accurate as possible to ensure the credit note reflects the correction intended. Next, you'll need to select or add a salesperson. Assigning a salesperson provides additional contextual data about the transaction, which can be valuable for reporting and accountability. Following that, select the item or service that the credit note pertains to. Having an accurate record of the items ensures transparency and can assist in inventory management if applicable. Once all the details have been filled in, click on Save as Open. This action saves the credit note in an open status, meaning it's ready for allocation but not yet applied to any invoices. With the credit note saved, proceed to Apply to Invoices. Here, you'll decide which specific invoices need to be adjusted using the credit note you've just issued. In the application window, enter the amount of credit you want to allocate to each invoice. This will directly reduce the outstanding balance on those invoices according to the amount of credit you specify. Finally, click Save to apply these changes. By doing so, you've officially allocated your credit note to the selected sales invoice, thus correcting any billing discrepancies and updating your financial records accordingly. And there you have it, a complete guide to issuing and allocating a credit note in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial operations remain precise and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more helpful tutorials.